Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today these are Kinsley Graphics. Today we're going to be having a short tutorial on how to crop out background from a picture. Oftentimes you're working on any project at all, probably photo, magazine, flyers, and you want to crop out background from Illustrator. Don't really have luxury of time to move it to Photoshop before cropping. You can as well do it in Illustrator, and I'm going to show you how in this simple step. So I am using Adobe Illustrator 2020. The settings by default almost looks the same. If you're using 2019, 2018, it almost looks the same. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to create new. Either I open create new here, or I go to this file and click on create new. By default, my settings is usually at 1000 by 1000 pixel. And I'm going to leave it at this so that the resolution of the picture will not be a problem. I won't have problem opening the picture, the artboard. So go ahead and create artboard. So there you have it. This is a new artboard. So I'm going to be placing this image. I'm going to be working with this image of this beautiful puppy right here. This is the image I'm going to crop. So I'm going to crop out the background with Illustrator very quickly. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go to File, go to Place. Then I will locate the picture I want to use in question. Double click on the picture. Picture comes up. Then I right click, place it on the artboard that I want to crop. Now the picture you want to crop might differ, but remember, any picture you want to crop, still follow the same protocol, and you still get and achieve the same result you want to achieve. So the next thing I'm going to do here is to zoom in so I can be able to see the angles of the picture that I want to crop. Have a look at this. Okay, so the tool, I want you to note three things. I'm going to do three things here. The first one is the tool I'm going to use is pen tool. It's either you move your cursor to the outline of the interface and right click on it, click, or simply use P, simply press P on your keyboard. That's the shortcut for pen tool. So that's it on that. So that is the first part. The first part is the pen tool. The second part is highlighting around the shape of what you want to do. Then the next thing you're going to do is on your keyboard press V. V is a shortcut of selection tool. You can see it is written beneath the symbol. So when you click V, it deselects the pen tool that you selected initially. So you can see something like this. Just see borderless line. So okay, now you click on it, hold shift, click on the main picture, This selects the two pictures. I repeat, you click on the line, hold shift, click on the picture. This selects the two pictures. Or press Ctrl A. Ctrl A is auto select, select all. Ctrl A. Ctrl A, then right click. Under the options, you will see make clipping marks. Once you click clipping marks, the background goes off. So you can see now that we have a picture of your puppy, that background, so you can use it wherever you want. Wherever you want, you can use it however you want. For instance, you can easily move say I want to place it here. So there you have it. There you have it. So that is the simplest way to crop out background from an image that you want to use quickly. So thank you for watching the tutorial. Thank you for your time. If you find this useful, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, drop your comments. If you have any question, drop it in the comment box. I will attend to it as fast as I can. And once again, thank you for being here.